Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to dive into an amazing tool that is going to skyrocket your YouTube success, and that is going to be VidIQ. Now, if you're anybody that has been doing research on YouTube and how to get started and the best tools and software to actually get, VidIQ is probably going to be one of your pieces of software that's going to be at the top of your actual list. So what exactly is VidIQ? Well, VidIQ is a secret weapon for mastering YouTube analytics. You already have the ability to get analytics through YouTube, but this piece of software is going to take it just a step further. This is going to help you optimize your videos, and it's going to help you grow your channel. We're going to break down how VidIQ is going to help you achieve your YouTube goals. Now, we're going to take a look at the actual VidIQ website. I have it linked to my newer channel, not to my older channel, because you can only really do one channel at a time unless you are actually paying for it. I am on the free plan. So we're basically going to take a look at how VidIQ looks based off of just the free plan. I don't have the funds to get into the full version where you can pay for all the extra features and benefits, but this is going to give you an idea of what you can actually start out with as opposed to what you could actually get. So over here, you're just looking at today. So this is basically going to give you a number of different stats that you can take a look at. So you got your channel stats over here. This is just set default to the time period for the last 7 days. And as you can see, my views have gone up about 500%, 1.7K. Now I have been doing a few YouTube shorts just to get more people to the actual channel. However, it seems to have negatively affected the amount of people looking at my long form videos. But it's not necessarily a bad thing. Now that the viewers have really gone down in terms of the shorts, they're actually starting to go back up. So I'm doing another video for this particular week so that you guys have more information on how you can get better on your channel. So optimize your latest video. So you can click on things like this and you give it a second and it can actually give you additional suggested titles. And they actually rate the actual titles too. So this one right here, Phone as Webcam, or the Ultimate DIY Guide, gives you a 90. The one I already have on there, it technically already has a 90 score. So that's not really a big issue for me. So this actually got a little bit of traction for as small as my channel is, and getting a few hundred views. That's actually not bad. I've got videos that have like 10 views, but you know, small channels are going to take a little bit of time to build up the amount of people that are watching the videos. You got title there. You have thumbnail. So you can actually look at thumbnails based off of things that are actually in the video. So this is based off of a short, and you can go in there and you can adjust your actual details. You know, you can look at what your tags are rated at, a couple of extra tags that they recommend you add in there. So I could take away YouTube tips for beginners and add content creation, YouTube metrics, comment tactics, and get rid of a few of these different ones right here. And it could boost the ability for my video or videos to be seen just a little bit more when it comes to this. Now, this is based on, I believe this is a short, which really isn't bad, but a lot of people aren't going to be looking at a lot of these particular links. So and when you actually change, you can click preview and see all the different changes that you make. Now you can get more recommendations with Boost. That's if you go ahead and pay for the actual program itself. We're going to click on generate. So here's something that you can go in here, so you can type in to make a video about, and say you want to make a video based off of VidIQ. And then you search, and this is going to give you descriptions, give you a title you can work with, even a couple of actual keywords. Now, if you click regenerate, it may fix a couple of things and adjust the description, give you tags. So there's a lot of really cool stuff that you can actually utilize with this particular thing. Now, you do also have thumbnails that it actually can generate for you as well. You got your hook, you got your outline as well. So there's a lot of things that you can really utilize here. I'm not necessarily doing this, but this could be something that I could use in the future, and also you as well. So there's a lot of really cool things that you can do when it comes to this. You can click create. So create topic of the day. It's going to give you the ability to analyze popular YouTube trends for content inspiration, discovering the hottest trends reshaping YouTube and inspiring the content creation or your content creation. Preview this topic, and it's going to give you some custom titles that you can actually utilize. It can give you thumbnails that you can utilize. You can generate more. And this is basically going to give you a blueprint for maybe a video that's coming up that maybe you might want to consider actually doing a video on. So this could save you a lot of time in terms of doing a lot of your search engine optimization here, your SEOs. So this is definitely going to save you some time. I'm not necessarily going to go through every little piece of this, but you pretty much is self-explanatory. You can always generate more if you want to, but then it comes up and tells you on, hey, we got these special promotions. 1 month, typically $20 right now. You can do $9.50 a month, or you can pay for a whole year at $9 a month. 7-day free trial you can do, and then it's $99.50 billed annually if you want to go that route. Or you just go straight to the monthly fee. So it depends on if you catch it on a special promotion or not, which in this case, it is definitely 100% a special promotion. So we're going to back out of this one. We're going to exit without saving. And some of the other ideas, things that I've blueprints and different saved ideas. And then you have the ability to look at specific trends right here as well in terms of different and innovative vlogging styles. Unboxing cool phone gadgets, Twitch live stream gaming series, free streaming services on smart TVs. You also have a tab for optimize. So I've actually tinkered with this a little bit myself, and I was able to actually change the titles for some of my videos. So as you can see, I've got a very generic kind of look right here. I do need to take some more pictures so I can have better thumbnails on here for you guys. But for instance, I can take this one right here for YouTube Shorts, a 3-minute revolution. You click on it and you give it a moment, and it's going to give you a suggested title for maybe changing your video name. So that one gives a 74. I think the one that I had was actually like an 80 or 90 when it comes to this. So you can actually change it very quickly just by doing this. Now you can generate more, and it's going to make you pay. You can click refine, where you can make it shorter, make the title longer. You can add a little bit of excitement to it if you want to. You got to remember, some of the most important things about your YouTube channel are going to be your thumbnail and your description. The tags do help, but these two particular things are going to be things that are going to make people see your video, make it pop out and jump out at them. So keywords. So these are going to give you a few keyword opportunities that you can utilize: SEO, digital marketing hacks, app monetization strategies, and top search terms for, like, say, for my channel in general. I don't know why Sorbet is on there, but it just happens to be on there. Why not? Why not? Frozen stuff. Other rising keywords: Hurricane Milton, Joker 2 ending, which from what I understand, that's really horrible. And I have no idea what that is, but hey, it's on the actual trending list. So this might give you some extra ideas on what you can do. Outliers: discover winning ideas to inspire your next video. So you can do a search for specific video types. And Tom Buck, he's a great guy. If you haven't watched any of his videos, definitely go check his channel out. But he does a lot of reviews on equipment, whether it's recording equipment, audio equipment, camera equipment. You pretty much name it. When it comes to YouTube type equipment, he's definitely going to be a very, very great resource. And he has tons of subscribers. He has tons of views as well. So if you want another good option for YouTube videos, go check him out. You got ideas right here. You got the best affordable gear for first-time creators, the truth about MacBook Air M1, is it still worth it? The ultimate desk setup tour for better streaming in 2024. And this is giving you the view prediction when it comes to this in terms of daily ideas. Now, Every day they're going to update this if you are utilizing the free variation of this. If not, then you can unlock with Boost, and then you can get a whole bunch of ideas. You got your saved ideas. You got dismissed ideas, and then you can leave feedback also. They also have a YouTube coach tip as well, which they have the AI chat here as well. So you can, it's essentially like ChatGPT, only specifically for doing these types of videos. You can ask anything about YouTube or content creation. You know, you can put down, how do I make a thumbnail for my YouTube channel? And then it's going to do a little bit of research. As you can see, it's not letting you type anything else because it's trying to actually come up with an answer for you. And we'll give it a second here. And I think I stumped it. So you probably have to be a little more direct on what your question is. Depends on if you have the basic chat or if you have the advanced chat. Now, if you click advanced chat, it's going to do some other things. But if not, you're going to have it hang up like it currently is. So while this is trying to figure it out, we're going to try to move on. You can click competitors. So if you have other channels that you're kind of trying to get an idea on, you can actually add competitors. Like I would be my own best competitor right now because I don't have smaller channels I'm really watching. Most of the ones I'm going to have are going to be kind of your bigger channels, such as Think Media Podcast, and, you know, a number of different large YouTubers that do this type of content. You can get an idea of your views and subscribers, how you've done over the past month. As you can see, I'm going up, 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 and up. SEO, get more views on your older videos, so it gives you more information here that you can't really do anything with unless you upgrade to Boost. You can actually watch their actual tutorial right here, but I'm not going to play that. You can go ahead and take a look at that yourself. If you have not set it up, go ahead and download this app. This actually is an app that I'm using on Firefox. So you can download this add-on to Firefox, or you can download the add-on to Chrome. So you have a number of ways that you can do this. Channel-wide tags, again, you actually have to pay to see this information. Subscribers, you can analyze what your subscribers are watching. Again, upgrade to Boost. Learn. So these are other people that Rob Wilson, you see him on all the VidIQ videos, or a lot of the VidIQ videos, over on their actual YouTube channel. So they got your interactive growth plan. As you can see, I'm on the first one still, but you know, you just have to watch these videos and it's going to help you. And then at the very bottom, you have upgrade. So this is where we've already seen this kind of come up a couple times. As you can see, Sean Cannell, he is over on Think Media Podcast, and they're probably the biggest users and biggest advocates for this particular software because they use it with their videos and also to help them grow their channel. So it's a really, really great option to go and learn from. And this is also a really good piece of software that is going to help you across the board. So up here, you can see things like your achievements. Like I just recently hit 4,000 views for my channel. Again, thank you to all those of you who have watched my videos, especially the ones that watched the shorts. Click X, and then you can go in here and you can see your plans, your account settings, channel settings, affiliate centers. So there's a lot of different websites you can do affiliate links on, especially your Amazon affiliate links. Now, just getting an idea of where my channel is right here. You know, you got your 30 subscribers. Content, there's been a few of these I've actually changed the names on when it comes to trying to actually get it in front of more people. And it does tend to help. I've seen a few people come back and actually, or a few more people come and actually watch some of the videos once I changed the title up for something that was over on VidIQ. So it really, really does work, guys, it really does help as well. So VidIQ, I 100% recommend it, whether you're utilizing the free version or if you're looking to do the actual paid version. If you don't have it, definitely download that. Also download TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is another great attachment that you can utilize to help you with tags as well. That one you still have to pay for majority of the features, but there are some features that you can actually use that are going to be free as well. So hopefully this video was informative for you when it comes to VidIQ and how it can help you and your channel grow from having 0 subscribers to having unlimited subscribers. So if you do like this kind of content, please make sure that you leave a comment below, hit that like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, guys, make sure you hit record and post that first video. I want to thank you guys for coming and checking the video out. YouTube thinks that you're going to like this video, and it's also going to think you're going to like this playlist over here. So take your pick, check out the videos, and watch them all the way through to the end. So it helps that algorithm. Thanks for coming.